morning and namaste. Early day. It's a nice climate that we have today. It's cold. It's winter season, so it's cold, and I'm feeling the vibes of the cold over here. Since I'm staying close to the nature, you actually see all the dews on the car. It's fully dew, cold, and now back to have breakfast and run. Guess where we are. Just guess. And this is where we are. Mr. DIY. It says always low price. Sorry, it says always low price. I wonder what to get low price for. What you said? 99 19 rupees? Starting from 19 rupees. So we're just going to explore, see what you actually find the cheapest. Actually waited outside for half an hour. So the place that we have come right now is in Porvorim, and just seeing what we can get for cheap. That's it. Just having some fun. It has 3 floors, so we have a lot of time to spend. So we're going to spend a lot of time over here and eventually buy something actually. So we end up buying something. So next stop at Maldi Goa, new Reliance store. So we're going to check out what things are there and then back to Pancham. Yes. This time there will be some screening happening at the Maldi Goa because the Inox theatre is there, because they have put up some boardings of 53rd International Film Festival around. This is my weakest spot. When you come to any store, I tend up to buy anything what is new. So I saw something new and that's good. So this also happens with me and Ira, because we both have a tendency to go pick up stuff what is there new and end up buying it. So now Harthi is a big question mark what we are up to. That's what we end up buying now. This is 1, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cash counter, only one cash counter is working. And it's 11:15 and nobody is addressing any of the guests over there. बिखरा हुआ है कोई सिस्टम कोई मैनेजर even the manager is not at the counter over here to help any of the customers. It's 11:30 and it's so bad in counter services. No, it is a management thing. I have been telling this is not the one person work. A manager needs to be there. if it's not working, a manager needs to stand over there. The manager is not taking responsibility. He's throwing on the smaller people responsibility. That's not good, right? That's a bad thing. Reliance services in Goa. Didn't expected that. Just had a cup of coffee. Watched some Amazon Hostel series. The new season is out, so watching that. Just finished. Now mom has just arrived, and now we are going out again. I know every day we are out, but that's the thing. That's the life of mine. It's late at night. Hallelujah. Both my doggies out. Come. Close the door because mosquitoes are gonna bite. Okay?
We are going to buy.
You're dressed up? Ira? Yes, fine? Okay, let's go.
Yes, I'm wearing this lehenga. I cannot do
This is dress, this is not lehenga.
Oh, dress. Not so.
Close the door because mosquitoes are gonna win. And we are out. Okay, Ira?
Okay, why not is not coming?
Aji will come. Please have me back again. Chromas. You know the small thing doesn't get over in shopping. That happens every day. That's the reason I roam a lot. Masti. For so long I could not have my camera because of her. She was having it. Masti. मार तो दाखल का पाणी काय करणार का झालं हॅपी
No.
I have proof that you hate me.
नहीं मारूंगी
मैं मारूंगी नाक में क्या क्या है ये सब
कीड़ा है
सब
अंदर कीड़ा है मुंह में भी कीड़ा है से हमें कहा
So all done, purchases done. So I had a nice person to do dealing with it.
यस बॉस
So he had just in a general way, he has done nice services. Compared to the one in the morning, I had a hard time. Now in the evening, a genuine person. I'm going to share, his review on it. Very good. I would recommend, to meet him. I'm going to say hi. I'm going to say thank you for him also. At the end of the day, it was a nice service that I got after a bad day in the morning. So we end up buying. I'm so sorry. When I was having my vlog, the concerned person who is delivering that or addressing to me had already left. Now I was very sad that he already left from there. His name is Pritam. If I'm not sure, I'm going to show him. Okay, you must have seen before. He had addressed me. It was nice, sweet guy, understanding, made, the well-being was nice, warm, welcoming. As well at the same time, he had done, the changes, what he could do. Now since we are out, we are at the Delphino's. And I guess it's the time to eat something and then spicy. I'm gonna eat and go. Yes, she went. So since Ira is gone, I'm gonna munch it nice. There. Oh my god.
कशी गेल्यार बरें दिसता
No, no, watch. And guess what? My mom is buying stuff. Another 1 hour we are here only. If she's buying this thing. See Ira, how she's sitting. Why you are sitting then? Why are you sitting? You want to sit? Why are you sitting? You want to? We'll see fish. Come, I'll show you. Come. Come. I'll show you fish. Go. See on the right hand side, fish. It's all chicken. I'll show you fish. See, fishes. Which one you like? That you like?
Yes.
And
And also this.
but which one do you eat? Everything you like?
I like this. I like
Yeah, I know that. You like everything but you don't eat anything. Come to a spot and we are done. That's my vlog. I'm totally tired today roaming. For now, getting home, eating food. If I'm watching, if I have something else to tell, I'm gonna talk. But for now, there is something special coming up. I'm gonna talk about it. It's gonna be all about how the business that I'm running, what kind of business and how many years has been passed for this business. And about the school eventually, I'm going to talk about that also and what I do. So most of them knows about it, but after COVID people have no idea what I'm into and things like that. For now it's just